Welcome back to the Kali Linux Ethical Hacking series. In the previous video, we installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox and set up a Wi-Fi adapter. In today's video, we'll see how security professionals test network password strength using Kali Linux tools. This video is for educational and authorized security testing purposes only. Do not attempt on networks without permission. First, open VirtualBox and start your pre-installed Kali Linux. If you haven't set it up yet, check the previous video and come back to this one. Wait until it boots up, then enter your login ID and password. Now connect your Kali-compatible Wi-Fi adapter that supports monitor mode and packet injection. Monitor mode helps us analyze Wi-Fi traffic, and packet injection lets us test how the network responds. Once the adapter is plugged in, go to VirtualBox Settings, Devices and USB, then select your Wi-Fi adapter. After about 10 seconds, go back to the same settings and make sure your adapter is selected. Next, open the terminal. Type the following command and enter your root password. It stops interfering processes so your adapter can work correctly in monitor mode. Enter the next command to see wireless network interfaces and their details like mode, signal, frequency. If you don't see a device as WLAN device, your adapter isn't detected. Fix the issue first, then return and continue. Now type the following command to enable monitor mode. Run this command again and confirm that your adapter name now ends with MON, which means monitor mode is enabled. Finally, run this command to scan nearby Wi-Fi networks. This command will help you to identify the network to capture WPA2 Handshake to start cracking process. Now you can see a Wi-Fi network named SK-Tech5G. This is my own router, and I'll use it for this demonstration. Now press Ctrl+C to stop the running command, and let's capture the handshake. Enter the mentioned command. Replace it with your interface name, router MAC ID channel, and output file name. Now you will see all client devices connected to this Wi-Fi. If any device disconnects and reconnects, the WPA2 handshake will be automatically captured and saved in a file named SKTCH. But this method can take time for a device to reconnect. You can also use Aircrack-ng command to send deauthentication packets, forcing clients to disconnect and reconnect. This allows the tool to capture the handshake almost immediately. We'll see how this method works in the next video. Let me now manually disconnect my iPhone and reconnect, and now you can see the WPA handshake has been captured. Now let's verify the captured handshake. Use the ls command to list the files in the directory, and you should find a file ending with .cap, which is where the handshake data is stored. To verify the handshake, run Aircrack-ng followed by the file name of the capture file containing the handshake, then press enter. Now you can see that a handshake is available in the file. Next, we will attempt to crack it using a dictionary file. A dictionary is a simple text file that contains commonly used passwords. You can download it from websites or even create your own using Python. My dictionary file is named wordlist.txt. Save your dictionary file in the same directory. Now copy the router BSS ID and enter the following command to start cracking the WPA password. Now the cracking process has started. Aircrack-ng works by taking passwords from the dictionary file one by one and testing them against the captured WPA and WPA2 handshake. If a password matches the encrypted handshake data, the tool identifies it as the correct Wi-Fi password. This method is called a dictionary attack or word list attack because it uses a predefined list of possible passwords to test against the captured handshake. Wait until it cracks the password. If the correct password is not found in the word list, you can try another word list available on many websites. Aircrack-ng uses the CPU, so cracking can take time. A faster method is using Hashcat with GPU power. Let's see this method in another video. Wow, we finally found the password in 2 minutes and 9 seconds, and the password is password at 1 to 3. Now I hope you understand why a strong password is required. It's important to use a strong password. A strong password helps prevent brute force attacks because it is much harder for attackers to use or crack. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps support the content and keeps you updated with new videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.